Looking for the best orthopedic pillows for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 orthopedic pillows that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find orthopedic pillows that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended orthopedic pillows. Number 1 on the list is Royal Therapy Pillow. Side sleepers have the most trouble with sleeping since their backs and spines contort as a result of their sleeping position. If they maintain the same sleeping habits for long enough, it may have the effect of long-term spinal injury. To alleviate this, they have to place pillows strategically under different parts of their body. For the same group of people, orthopedic pillows, such as the Royal Therapy Pillow, are a better fit for reducing the strain on their backs. This is not to mean that the pillow cannot be used by other types of sleepers. Overall, the features of this pillow may make resting easier for all kinds of sleepers. For one, the filling of the pillow is memory foam, with one of the more dominant properties of such a pillow being that it conforms to the weight and shape of a person. This is made all the more possible given that the Royal Therapy Pillow will also react to body heat by adjusting its shape. Once body heat is removed from the equation, the pillow will then revert to its original shape and size. Also, with its contouring shape, the edges of the pillow will make up for the space between your mattress and your neck. This way, your airways are less likely to be blocked as you sleep. The result is less snoring, which your sleeping partner may be thankful for. For back sleepers, this also means your spine retains its original shape and elimination of any neck pains after sleeping. Another impressive feature of the pillow is the bamboo cover. For one, it is easily removable. You can remove the foam and clean the cover as often as you would like. Also, the cover incorporates heat-dissipating technology. Uncomfortable heat levels, while you sleep, will be a thing of the past. In addition to the 2 mentioned attributes, the cover is hypoallergenic as well. Consequently, you will find no dust mites, mold, bacteria, and other allergens on your pillow as long as you own it. Second on the list is HOMCA Cervical Pillow. The HOMCA Cervical Pillow has an ergonomic design that supports and aligns your back, shoulder, and head in a natural posture, allowing you to fall off into an undisturbed sleep and wake up feeling rejuvenated. It comes with pillowcases made from polyester and hypoallergenic rayon, making it feel smooth and silky. These materials are also chemical-free, protecting you from various health risks and complications. Finally, the pillowcases are made with a breathable structure that allows air to circulate freely, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the night. This pillow is therefore suitable for warm nights. One feature that makes the HOMCA Cervical Pillow stand out is its armrest design. It has grooves that allow your arms to slide beneath the pillow so you can rest comfortably on your stomach with your arms wrapped over the wings. The pillow also has a hollow design in the middle that helps release ear pressure and keep the airway open. Finally, this pillow comes with various thicknesses on both sides. The lowest height is 4.3 inches, while the highest point is 5 inches, allowing you to pick the height that suits your needs. Number 3 on the list is Karidge Orthopedic Pillow. When you receive this pillow, it might be flat, contrary to the shape depicted by the image above. This is no cause for worry, as it is something that is easily corrected. You can leave it in a ventilated area whereby the foam will take up surrounding air and revert to standard shape and size. However, if you can't wait to start using the pillow, you can fluff it up, which should speed up the expanding process. Another issue that users have to contend with is the smell of new memory foam. You can expect it to go away over time. Both the foam and the cover are breathable, which is necessary to prevent heat from building up. Also, speaking of the cover, there are 2 color options, namely blue and white, both of which are removable. Once you've washed the cover, you are advised to tumble dry at low settings. Number 4 on the list is UTTU Sandwich Pillow. The UTTU Sandwich Pillow, along with the Royal Therapy Pillow, seem to have a similar design. However, once you study the details of both product, you will come across some differences. When shipped, the pillow measures 4.7 inches on one end while measuring 3.9 inches on the lower end. However, this is not a permanent state. As the end user, you can opt to open up the case and remove the middle layer of foam. Once you do that, the remaining dimensions will be 3.5 inches and 2.8 inches respectively. Also, all three layers of the pillow, excluding the cover, are made of memory foam. As such, it can take up to 5 seconds for the product to return to its original shape after you lift your weight off the pillow. The product is certified by CertiPURUS, OEKOTX Standard 100, and ISPA certification bodies. Consequently, there are several safety features you can expect, including the absence of heavy metals and formaldehyde. In addition to that, the cover is hypoallergenic, also acting as a deterrent to dust mites. Once you start using this pillow, it may take a while, but you will notice a decrease in back and neck pains if you are prone to them. Where the pillow cover is concerned, the case is made from a blend of polyester and bamboo fabrics. With its zip strategically placed on the edge of the pillow, you shouldn't have a hard time removing all foam layers to make cleaning the cover easier. Also, the manufacturers have so much faith in this product that they are willing to let you test it out for 96 days. If after a few days of use you are still not satisfied, you can get your money back in exchange for the product. Where any other issues may arise, you have a 5-year warranty coverage period. Number 5 on the list is EPABO Contour Memory Foam Pillow. If you want a manually adjustable pillow, the EPABO Contour Memory Foam Pillow fits the bill. This means that for applications where you feel the pillow is too high, there is a removable piece of memory foam that serves to lower it to appropriate standards. The pillow also features a contouring shape where one end is high and the second end is low, while the middle part is the lowest. In addition to that, one of the ends of the pillow features a cradle that holds your neck and head in place in the middle of the pillow. This tweak in design supports all three sleeping positions, so it shouldn't be cause for worry. The seller states that it is entirely reasonable for users to feel uncomfortable using the pillow during the first few weeks. After all, this is a unique design different from regular pillows, and thus, it might take you some time to get used to it. However, this is still a better overall fit for your health as the design incorporates consideration of the user's spine. Also, the inside consists of 100% memory foam. As such, you will find the pillow changes its shape to accommodate the size and shape of your head and neck as well. Polyester makes up the pillowcase, and although it is a different fabric from the one featured by the Royal Therapy Pillow, it still features the same benefit of being hypoallergenic. The side zipper is necessary to take out the pillowcase from time to time. Given that you occasionally sweat from your neck and head, it becomes essential that you clean the pillowcase in a washing machine often. Once you unpack it from the box, it features a scent that may be annoying but not harmful. As such, you would do well to air it out for a few days for the smell to dissipate. Just now is a list of 5 best orthopedic pillows that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.